Now the very first step we're going to need to do is to install the cameras. So we're going to need a ladder, a drill bit to pre-drill the holes, as well as a Phillips head drill bit. So if you got that, let's begin.
On each camera, you'll notice that there is a small label taped on. The label contains information such as model number, ID number, etc. So take these off and keep it in case you need this info in the future. If you turn the camera around, you'll notice that there is a protective film on the lens. We recommend keeping this on until installation is complete, but don't forget to remove the film once you're done installation. If you're installing the cameras outside, then push the sunshield forward and using a flathead screwdriver, tighten the screw. Now we're going to use the Allen key, so let's take it out of the same packaging that contains the screws and the wall anchors. Then using the Allen key, slightly loosen the adjustment screw located on the base of the camera. Then pre-adjust the camera arm to the approximate angle where you'll be installing the camera. Now place the camera on the surface where you want to have it installed, and push the cable inside the groove on the inside of the base so you can place the camera flat on the surface. Take note of which direction you want the cable to be facing. Now take one of the drill guides that's included in the kit. Before you apply it to the surface, just take note that the hole marked in the center with the letter A is only used if you're routing the camera cable through the ceiling, which I won't be doing for this demonstration. The side marked with the letter B is the same side which the adjustment screw is located, and the 3 holes marked with the number 1 is the screw holes for mounting the base. Peel off the drill guide template and apply it to the exact area where you'll be installing the camera, and remember to take note of the template markings. Then using a drill bit slightly smaller in diameter of the mounting screws, pre-drill the 3 screw holes on the template marked with the number 1. Now you can remove the drill guide template and then get the 3 mounting screws. Position the camera on the screw holes and using a drill with a Phillips drill bit, screw the camera in place. Once completed, position the camera to the approximate viewing angle. Do not tighten the adjustment screw yet, as you'll want to view the live video first after we connect the NVR. At this time, you'll most likely want to readjust the camera angle to a more precise position. Now it's time to give the camera power. Connect the camera cable securely to the power adapter cable. If the camera is too far away from the electrical outlet, you can use the 4 power extension cables which come included with the kit. The last thing to do now is plug the camera power adapter into an electrical outlet, and installation is now complete. Install the remainder 3 cameras, making sure they cover important areas such as the front yard, backyard, any entryways including the garage and outdoor side gates, and any doors leading into your home.
Well, we hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. All the products that you see on our channel are available with free shipping at OSI-GoDirect.com or Amazon.com. Those links are provided in the description below. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.